Yo, happy Friday. We went to Walmart, Restock. The way the Restock works here is that you gotta get one item at a time. You gotta go around the line. You go round and round. You get one item every time. So we went ahead and did a $100 spending cap today. So I'm gonna go ahead and go home and I'm gonna show you what I got. Now I couldn't record while I was there because there was a lot of people, and of course the employees were the one handing you out the items, and I'm not sure if I could record that. So that's why I couldn't record it. Maybe next week I'll do it. And I'll try to hit it as much as I can so I won't show people's faces. But so right now I'm on my way home from Walmart. I did get some tins, three-pack blisters, regular stuff. So nothing crazy. There was almost no ATVs. There's only 3 ATVs, and well, of course I wasn't first. I'm on like 8th or 7th in line. So I got some blisters and so on and so forth. So I'll show you right now. So stay tuned. 1 second. And we are back home. Here we are. All right. So we got a whole bag full of Pokemon from Walmart. Let's go ahead and check out what we got. We got a Vaporeon V10. There's 3 of them. We got the Vaporeon one. We got a Pokeball H19. We got another Pokeball C19. So we'll probably open up the Pokeballs today, and then we'll save the rest for the live stream coming on Sunday. Let's see, we got some blisters. Remember, I had a $100 spending cap today. I was aiming to get at least 1 ATV, but there was none. So we got blisters. I got all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blisters. We'll probably open one. We got Sword and Shield 4 blisters, and we got the Umbreon 3-pack. There's only like 4 or 5 of these, so got one. Was able to get one, and of course everything else is in here. It's just the receipts of what I paid every trip. Here's the rest of it. So they let you get one item. You gotta go back in circles. So I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I went 5 times around just to get all of this. So alright, so let's go ahead and open. We'll save this Vaporeon tin. We'll save it, and we'll open up the Pokeballs today. So let's see what we can pull. And we'll open also one evolving guys. But yes, I want to do the live stream on Sunday. This Sunday coming out in 2 days. So you'll be seeing this on Friday, since this restock happened today, Friday. Here we are. So there is coin. There's a Pokeball. My sons love these, so I'll save it for them. Alright, so these are the packs that came in there. Evolutions, Sun and Moon, and Primal. Alright, so let's check out this one. See what this one has. Evolution, Sun and Moon, and Primal. Alright. And also Lucario. Has a Lucario coin as well. Alright. These are not bad. So if you see them at stores, I believe they're $14. Yeah, so C19 and H19, they both have XY packs. So let's open these up and see what we get. Let's end up with the Venusaur. And then we'll open up also a we'll also open up an evolving skies. Damn, it came out super fast. I think this is 4. Yeah, 4. Got Steel Energy. Drowsy. Fearow. Shelter. Growlithe. No. Full Umbreon GX. First one I pull from Sun and Moon. Believe there's also a Rainbow Rare. That is awesome. The tin. All we need now is the alternate art from Evolving Skies. And we have a collection going of Umbreon. Another Sun and Moon. Alolan Persian Netball. We go. Bub. Cosmog. Roll it. Alolan Meowth. And Incineroar. Alright, let's get into the Primal Clash. I think we have these somewhere. I like these artworks here. Here is the code. It's a white code card. I think these are 3 if I'm not mistaken. Could be 4. Yeah, they're 3. I keep forgetting. I think all XY is 3. Oh, that looks nice. Kakuna. Nidoran. Tangela. Oh, that's nice. It's a nice artwork. Slugma. Torchic. Electric. And this was a white code card and it didn't even give me a hollow. Wow. Alright, so some XY evolutions. We'll open up 1 pack of Evolving Skies right now, since we're gonna save all the other ones for our stream, which is coming on Sunday. I'm gonna post a post on Instagram so you guys can vote the time that we can vote on a time. Pikachu, Staryu, Onyx, Moncho. A Charizard. Let's go. It's a little. See that? How it's a little bent. It's a little bent, and there's a little bit of whining on there. But nevertheless, it's a Charizard, and it's not a hollow bleed. Oh man, it's a nice card. Just a little edges, and we'll of course do your thing, but we'll go ahead and fix that. Put it in between some books, straighten it out. Charizard. And I was gonna pick that pack to open that pack at the end, but hey, not bad. Not bad at all. Alright. Evolving Skies. Let's see if we can pull some alternate arts. Oh, I don't think so. Man, look at these code cards. It's like super bent. Steel Energy. The penguin with the ice cube. Oh. This is a... I didn't know this was a grass type. I thought it was a... Huh. Okay. Drowsy. Scraggy. Bargon. Ubat. Ursa, and a Pinsir. Alright. Alright. Can we get another? There's no Charizard in this one. But imagine getting another Charizard. Man, these things. I don't know if that was from the Primer Ball or from the Pokeball. But either way, I'll probably have to go look back in the video. Bidoof. Oh yeah, we got our another Bidoof. There you go. We got the Bidoof special delivery Bidoof. I think I know somebody that might like this card. I think I know. I'm gonna save these two. I think I know who she is that likes Bidoof. So I'm gonna save these two for her. I know she usually watches my stuff, so she'll know who she is. So for the live stream. Oh, another Bidoof. Damn, this is a Bidoof pack. Bidoof. Let's see, can we get a Groudon? Wow. And wow. These packs, I swear. Alright, last pack, guys. Hopefully we can get last pack magic. We got some good pulls, so I'm good with that. Remember, guys, to subscribe if you haven't already. I try to do as much as I can in opening new stuff, older stuff, a little bit of everything here and there. So we got Brock's Grid, got a Super Potion, Reno, a Energy, Rattata, Vulpix, Electabuzz, Magikarp, a Holo, and a Poliwrath. That's not bad. That's awesome. It's a nice card. Like it. Alright, guys, so that is all for today. We pulled some good stuff here. Umbreon GX, a Charizard. No Hollow Bleed, but nevertheless, some good pulls out of what, 6-7 packs. Not bad. It's about like a 44% pull rate. So, and I mean, of course, if you count the Bidoofs, say it's an 89% pull rate. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great day. Remember to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next. See you on my live on Sunday. Charizard.